Sir, here is your menu. Please place your order.
Brother, you eat that or what? After a minute, I have no use to me.
It has all our lunch and dinner items, sir.
Brother, me can't read the menu.
Oh, me apologize, sir. Me never know say you did illiterate.
Me no like deal with the idiot, you know. You know, sister, I'm blind, brother.
Sir, no need to be rude. Why you never said that long time?
But I walk come inside there, tap me cane. Sure. Anyway, you have a special way for place my order. Just bring the spoon them where I cook with in the kitchen, and then we will place my order.
Why me must do that?
Brother, I have a keen sense of smell. When we smell the spoon them, we know exactly where to order.
This kinda unusual.
But me need to see if this really work for you.
So, me I go bring the spoon them come. Soon come back.
Alright, bring me an oxtail lunch with enough gravy and mix it with some curry goat on the side. But first, for the appetizer, bring me a cup of the gongo pea soup. And make sure you have enough stewed beef in it, you know. I'm glad say you not put no pig's tail in the soup, cause me not touch the pork. And give me the potato salad for my side order. That is it. We are wait pan. The food now go share itself, you know.
This blind brother have a unique gift of smell, but him face the bad. Mr. Henry Batts, I see you come back again.
Yeah man, the food it tastes good the last time. Even though you never have much sense. You know the drill by now. Bring the spoon them where you cook with so I can smell them.
Honey, me have a blind man in the restaurant where smell the spoon them before him can place him order. Him face the bad. So, me I go play one trick on him. Just rub the spoon on your pum pum and make me see where him I go order.
My husband, boy, you know easy.
Rotted. Primrose working at all.